know what time it is. It is time to get to bassing. I actually might get rid of that intro, you know what I'm saying? But today we are here on this pond. Got the bass stalker here. We're gonna see what they do. We got some bluebird skies, a little partially cloudy conditions. We're just gonna get out here and throw around and see what we can do. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and comment on anything else you would like to see, you know, that's important. Interact with me. I don't bite, you know what I'm saying? I actually talk pretty friendly. But with that being said, let's get out here and see what we can catch. Okay, so trying out a little different camera angle, you know what I'm saying? So we can see how it's gonna work out whenever I'm in the boat with anybody. But this water here is way high, higher than I'm used to. Boy, I thought that was a fish jumping right there.
Real fisherman right there just left.
Yep.
They follow him, he'll take it right with it. You have to be quick. Get there for you is it.
I might change over from a little bit of a rattle trap to something of a square bill.
A little breeze though.
Yeah, thank goodness. Something should come out of that.
Smell fishy.
Yep.
It's big.
Oh, you talking about the brim?
Yeah, something big. I don't know what it is, but I smell this fishy.
I know the white perch, well, crappie should be bedding.
Uh-oh. Yeah, action.
Nah.
Yeah. Yeah. He pulled back on me, but he got me around the stick. No, I wasn't pulling. I wasn't pulling.
You got to go over there and get that.
Yeah, he was pulling back. Let me go. He was pulling, I wasn't pulling. I felt when he grabbed it and he went going with it. And he went to coming. I know it's some limbs down here, but see?
Yeah.
I wasn't lying. I felt when he was pulling. He was pulling back on it. I guess he couldn't get it because it was too much on that limb. But he sure was pulling now. Could be something like a pound guy. He was pulling it. He had the whole thing. I couldn't about a pound and a half, 2 pound bass, or a pound and a half. I felt when he was pulling. That wasn't. See how easy it came to.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got him. Yeah. Yeah, I got him. I can boat flip him. Yeah, he took my bait off. That's all right. Ouch. Yeah, you got that hook into me too, huh? That's all right. Right in the top. Right in the top of the mouth, just like you want it.
We'll go ahead and break it down while we keep it. Enjoy those times.
Well, yeah, go ahead, like Cuzzo said. We got older people that like to eat bass. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, when I fish by myself, I'll toss them back. But fishing with Cuzzo and, you know, the fam. All right, but fishing with Cuzzo and the fam, you know what I'm saying? Got people that eat bass, that eat fish, period. You know, so we gonna keep it, put it so they can eat, you know what I'm saying, have something to eat. But nice little bite. He hit fast too. Whew. That's one for the day. Caught him out coming from the middle.
It really ain't deep where we at.
Caught that on that. What the world is that floating over there?
I think he's a turtle. He's a duck.
Floating like that?
Going back and forth.
That wasn't funny.
Cord. See the tail?
Yeah.
That's why it's not carp or whatever you want to call it.
Caught that bad boy on the Goose Squire crack and crawl. In the June bug color. Well, we finna put it back on there, and we're gonna go back out. We're gonna go back out deep again and see if that was just a fluke, no pun intended, Or if that's where they are staged up at. You always gotta you gotta find your pattern.
Got a little action. Dog, he turned loose. He came back and got it, folks. I guess he was hungry. He came back and got it. Dog, that's the second time. I mean, that's it. He came. He wanted it, but he wasn't really that hungry. I guess he was hungry, but he just didn't. I don't know what went on there. I'm talking about he bumped it in. I guess he had a tail part.
Yeah.
He had a tail, yeah. So he had to be a little smallness to him. But he came back. He didn't grab the whole thing. You curious about that, ain't you?
I am.
He showed me he did that.
Like, you might end up with a gator in here.
But he ain't gonna be swimming back and forth like that.
No, not really. When we were closer to the bank, right there, I threw back out. So he going, okay.
He had to have that tail. He didn't have it completely. Where he really wanted it. Because it seemed like it got out of his mouth, the tail part.
Yeah.
And I forgot he got some big catfish in him too.
Oh, I don't want none of them. I want to see them bass.
All them bubbles.
Right there.
Yeah, there was something behind us too.
But I'm looking at whatever that is over there.
Still curious about that.
I sure am. I'm gonna keep my eye on it just to see. We pretty much up around these pretty much away from the stumps a little bit. So I'm gonna. Oh snap!
Right at the boat.
Right at the boat.
Right at the boat.
Oh. Oh gosh, damn! Yes, sir. Right at the boat. And he choked it too. He choked it. Boy, are you gullet hook? No, you're not gullet hook. Good show.
Yeah, you got it pretty good. Got them on.
Ouch.
Thing stick down the throat to get it.
I might have to come through your gill to get it. Yeah. If I can get it too. There, I got it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, okay. Easily. I'll say about 3, solid 3. You know what I'm saying? I gotta start bringing my scale. Yeah, still got a little bit of a bloody tail there. So, good job. I'll put this as a female. Oh. Whew. Good times, good times. I was talking about I was swimming it back, which that might be the thing, because pretty much both of those bass hit about the same at about this distance. I think we're a little bit away from the bank than where we were, or we in the same spot. I don't know, but
We went toward the bank. The other side, you threw toward the middle.
Threw towards the middle and brought it back, but it's still, they were still a good little bit of ways away from the bank.
He could have followed it too.
He could have.
He got ready to come on up. Further, like come to the top of the water.
Yeah.
Yep, you had it right there.
That was a nice bite right there. Let me try this right here since we are.
Fabulous.
I'm gonna let it hit the bottom and I'm gonna slow creep it and see what happens.
I want you to go back this way. I'm telling you, soon I threw over there. It's sandy.
You want to throw back this way?
I'm trying to get mixed with that tree. Throw straight. By the time you get it back, no, he went to pull it, but I don't know. Wish I didn't let him have it more or what.
Probably should just let him have it a little bit more. But shoot, you let him have a pretty good bit because you had to.
Yeah, he was jacking it. He was about to jack it out the damn man. I shit you no lie. See, you got it now. Serious, he got it. I felt when he hit it. See how he pulling?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got that one. Little yearly. Little yearly. Let me get my line out of the way. Yeah, because you running towards me. Let me get mine out of the way.
I knew I wasn't lying.
Actually, I ain't gonna call that a yearly. I put that about 1.5 pounds.
Yeah, there you go. I let him have this time. But his throat so now. Pull it out. See, it's a stump. Stumps down there and it's grassy.
Yeah.
That's why I say throw back this way when you get a chance. Throw back this way. I used to stand right by that tree and pull him in from the bank. Throw forward when that wind be having me get it out there. Yeah. You just got clouded like this.
I know. If we would've just got clouded like this, we'd have been all right.
Just stayed. You would caught some more bags.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, y'all, you know what I'm saying? We was only out here for probably about, what, 2.5, maybe 3 hours?
Yeah, something like that.
And we at least made it to the next round. But as y'all know over here at this pond is a little bit of a struggle pond. Caught them on the Guggen, crack and crawl and the Zoom trick worm, both in June bug color. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and comment on anything else you would like to see. I'm open for new ideas as far as what you would like to see me do. But we're here to get you right, so you can keep them lines tight. 1.